Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken chapter 3 Deep Water by William Douglas. Now this chapter is in the book Flamingo, and before I come to the chapter, we will discuss about the author. William Douglas was born in 1898 and died in 1980. Was born in Maine, Minnesota. After graduating with a Bachelor's of Arts in English and Economics, he spent 2 years teaching in high school in Yakima. So, however, he got tired of this and decided to pursue a legal career. He met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and became an advisor and friend to the president. Douglas was a leading advocate of individual rights. Okay, means he was a teacher, and then later he became a lawyer. He retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years and remains the longest serving justice in the history of the court. The following excerpt is taken from Of Men and Mountains. Means this story that we are going to read has been taken from his one of his writing, Of Men and Mountains by William O. Douglas, and it reveals how as a young boy William Douglas nearly drowned in a swimming pool. Means once he was thrown by a boy, and due to that he was near about to drown. Then how was he able to conquer over his fear? We will discuss, we will read in this point, in this story. In this essay he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcame it. Means he finally decided that I will have to overcome it. Notice how the autobiographical part of the selection is used to support his discussion of fear. Now here are few words. Treacherous means dangerous. Subdued my pride means lowering one's pride. And flail to at the surface means moved to the surface, moved around. And fishing means to catch salmon, kind of fish is there. Misadventure means a death caused by accidental caused, means a death caused by an accident. And bob to the surface means just like a cork, means coming on the surface like a cork. And curtain of life fell means about to die. Curtain of life fell means about to die. Back and forth across the pool means to swim across in swimming pool. Here you can see Yakima River. Here it is Yakima River, and let's discuss about this. The Yakima River is a tributary of the Columbia River in eastern Washington, USA. So the author is talking about this river. Now the writer is saying, it had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. When he was 10 or 11 years old, he decided to learn swimming. And then there was a pool at YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity for learning swimming. The Yakima River was treacherous, means it was dangerous. Yakima River was dangerous. Mother continually warned against it and kept fresh in my mind that the details of each drowning. Means his mother would tell him about this river Yakima and its dangers. Many had drowned there, so his mother always made him aware about those dangers. But the YMCA pool was safe for learning swimming. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow. Shallow means having less water, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other end. It was one end it was 3 feet, 2 or 3 feet. At the other end it was 9 feet. The drop was gradual. I had a pair of water wings and went to the pool. Here drop was gradual means it would be deep and deep gradually. I got means that the author got water wings for learning to swim, and then he went to the pool. I hated to walk naked into it, means he didn't want to go into the river naked and show his skinny legs, but I subdued my pride. But he had to avoid this, and he had to go there naked, as it was there for everyone. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion means feeling of not liking white part on the top of water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old. जब वो 3 या 4 साल का था, तब से उसको डर शुरू हो गया. And his father took me to the beach in California. His father took him to the beach in California, and I stood together in the surf. और surf means होता है top of waves. और वो वहाँ पे खड़ा था अपने फादर के साथ. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down. Means the waves had touched him and swept over me, and waves had swept over him, and he was buried in water. Means though he was on the shoulders of his father, yet the waves, they had just swept over him. Means उसको लहरों ने पूरा डुबा दिया था. Then my breath was gone. He was terrified badly. I was frightened. और वो डर गया. Father laughed, and his father laughed. But there was terror in my heart, and from that time he had terror inside his heart from water and overpowering force of the waves. उसके बाद से उसको लहरों से डर लगने लगा. He had fear of the waves, its energy, its overpowering force. It has enough force to make drown any person. So he was fearing from that time. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories. Means when he had gone to YMCA, something had happened that had made unpleasant memories and stirred childish fears. But in a little while I gathered confidence. First he terrified, but then he gathered his confidence, and I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys. He was with his new wings and he was watching others and trying to learn. अब वो दूसरों को देख रहा था और कोशिश कर रहा था सीखने की. Apping means copying, means following them. I did this 2 or 3 times on different days and was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened. और वो ये काम करता था. He would go there and he would watch other boys there. Then what happened means then something that was very dangerous for his life, that could be cause of his death, had happened. Okay students, I will start in my next video after this. Till then, Jai Hind.